that you don't love yourself. They're literally banking on the fact that you don't love or respect yourself. You know, lately I've been thinking that it's time for a rebrand. It's time for a rebrand. It's time to look at what you've been doing and say, I'm gonna do something different. At some point in life, we have to say, I love myself a little bit too much to allow myself to be played. I respect myself a little bit too much to allow myself to be manipulated. I love me and my nervous system so much, I can't give people the power to dysregulate that. Friends, family, relationships, bosses, hope to God you don't love or respect yourself, because they know that love, respect, kindness, compassion, consideration aren't things, they aren't requirements to have access to you. In fact, I can show you quite the opposite and still have access to your ass. It's not like you're gonna set boundaries and stand up for yourself. It's time for a rebrand. See, the old version makes excuses. Well, maybe they were raised on survival and not love, and they just don't know how to show love and respect. Maybe until they learn how to show you love and respect, they can get the about your life and about your face. Well, I make more than I ever made, and everybody says that in this industry, disrespect just comes with it, and I can't afford to lose it. How much does it cost to lose yourself? How much did it cost to get you up out that depression? How much is it costing you to not spend time with your friends and your family, people that actually love you? How much did it cost you to re-regulate your nervous system whenever it's dysregulated at work? How much does it cost you to lean on them vices that you have to lean on whenever gets too overstimulating? Add all that up, and if you make more than that, by all means, stick with it. But me, this new version, this new brand, my piece is pricey.